What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, Smurf likes to take a second and thank each and every one of you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, this is a quick update video. I'm just giving my Civic a maintenance wash, little blue. And this is an update, almost 1 year update on the Gyeon View Evo glass coating that I put on my windshield almost a year ago before we had to drive into the storm for cheer comp and all that kind of stuff. And I'm actually very impressed at how well it's hanging in there. I wanted to update you guys. If some of you guys are looking to use the Gyeon View Evo, the glass coating, I highly recommend it. So quick update video. I'll put a link down in the description to the original install video of the coating if you guys want to check that out. But just want to I just got done washing the car and rinsing it off. I said, man, this glass coating looks superb. So I just want to show you guys. So quick update here. Let's check it out. All right, everybody. So I've got little blue here. Just got it washed up. Check out this Gyeon View glass coating. I mean, untouched. Absolutely untouched. I have not really topped it. I've not put anything on the glass. The only thing I do is I take my rinseless wash and I'll put like a capful in my windshield washer fluid. So I use distilled water and a capful of rinseless wash for my windshield washer fluid. But like I said, I don't even see wiper marks. I mean, it's incredible. I've been very, very happy with it. Still, once you hit about 30 to 40 miles an hour, water flies right off the windshield. Even when it was raining the other day, didn't even need my wipers. So, and we're about a year in. If you really want to get technical, I'd have to look at the date, but it's probably a month away, a month and a half away from when from 1 year. But still, I was like, okay, if I get 6 months out of it, that'd be okay. But it looks phenomenal. Quick update, Gyeon View Evo glass coating. Highly recommended. You guys see it right there. It's performing outstanding. So yeah, jump into quick little final thoughts. All right, folks. Quick final thoughts. There's really not much of a final thoughts here. There's just a quick update video. I couldn't be happier with the Gyeon View Evo glass coating that I put on the Civic. If you guys are looking at a glass coating and you're wondering, you know, how it's holding up, I'll tell you right now, this thing is holding up fantastic. Now, granted, we don't get a lot of rain here out in Cali, so your area might differ. If it's raining 6 months out of the year, it might degrade it a little bit. But even, you know, we get rain. You know, when I have to use, you know, when I use the wipers, I don't have to use them often because the hydrophobics. I mean, the water just runs right off the windshield. But there's no indication at all of any of the wiper blades. I couldn't be happier with Gyeon View Evo. And yeah, that's just a quick update. It looks phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite glass coating is and how it's performed for you and what kind of results that you guys got from your favorite glass coatings. And that's about it. So quick update. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. If you do, consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me. Click that little notification bell. That way, when I upload more videos, you guys will get notified. I appreciate all you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch and support the channel. I hope all you guys have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it's at right now where you're watching. Catch you guys all in the next video.